Well, first of all, the work TOMRA is doing and the future ahead is something I find very exciting. And also the focus on sustainability and innovation is something that highly motivates me.
My first impression of TOMRA is that there's a lot of people that are eager to help, and the threshold for asking for help is very low. So if they don't know the answer to the question you're asking, they're going to refer you to another person that can help you out.
In the first 6 months, I've built invaluable global connections, including the other LEAP participants. I've explored different business areas and learnt from TOMRA leaders with extensive experience. The opportunities have truly been priceless.
I think the program is an amazing chance to work with TOMRA in new markets and approach the business globally. I think the company's culture is very supportive and passionate, which are great attitudes to adapt.
TOMRA can help me by keeping up its culture, by allowing me to be creative and innovative at work and take on responsibility.
I believe TOMRA has equipped me with all of the tools I need to succeed, including coaching and a strong international business infrastructure. Through experiencing different cultures both in and out of office, I think I can truly become a strong business leader.